and now accused of the murder of 100 patients at 2 hospitals in Germany. Prosecutors say the former nurse was motivated by vanity, that he wanted to be seen as a hero by trying to resuscitate the patients who he'd given a lethal dose of medication to.
Niels Hergel is accused of 100 counts of murder. He's believed to have abused his professional position to administer medication to patients which was not medically prescribed in order to make resuscitation necessary. His aim, according to the state prosecutor, was to professionally distinguish himself with his knowledge in these situations.
Hergel is accused of carrying out the killings between 1999 and 2005 at 2 different hospitals in northern Germany. Asked in court if the charges against him were valid, he said they were, but a trial will still take place to try to establish what happened to the victims. It's reported that death rates and resuscitations rose when he was on shift. He's already serving a life term for 2 murders and 2 attempted murders. His earlier trial prompted the authorities to investigate the deaths of hundreds of other former patients. This trial began with a minute's silence for the victims.
What's important to me is to find out what happened and that this man gets a just punishment, if that's possible. And maybe once the trial is over, I can finally close this chapter.
The families of the victims are hoping they will get some answers during the next few months.